quick little review of this door stopper by Brinks. So, it's unlocked, and I'm assuming that's how it goes in. That's as far as it hits the thing on here, so. Pin is in. Okay, so it's secured in. But, let's see how it actually works. So like this, if someone was trying to open it from the outside like that, this is hitting it, blocking it, so that thing's still there. As it, you know, so obviously it's keeping it. But if they went like this, see? Now let's see, without my foot being there. So it doesn't seem to work that well. Like this, the thing just keeps sliding as if someone's trying to really get in. So it's like, now obviously most people would be locking this probably with it, but I don't know. It doesn't seem to work that well.